Hey guys, your kid 844 here, and today I am opening a Fox Airsoft mystery box. This is the $50 mystery box, and the weight on it was 5 pounds, shipped by FedEx. So let's go into it. Okay, I've changed the positioning from my previous unboxings, so that you're actually peering in the top of the box as opposed to way away from the box like it's been on other ones, because this is much smaller box. Right off the bat, I can hear CO2 rattling around in there. Oh, I'm really nervous. Okay, let's pop it open. Oh, you can't see that. That's just what's in. There's paper, and paper. Nothing in these. 2700 Elite Force. Go away, Mom. A NC Star reflex sight. A laser. And a combat zone enforcer, which I have one of already. And 3 CO2s. Yeah, this is my combat zone enforcer, which has been in some of my videos. So now I have 2. So then the other stuff in it. Ooh, full metal. Comes with a spare battery, so it comes with 2 batteries in this one. This optic's actually fairly nice. And standard BBs. I'll put the values up of whatever this is on screen. Come on, go open. There we go. This does not have stuff in it already. Okay, I'll cut once I put the stuff in. Laser on. It's actually fairly bright. Here's a housing and a screwdriver. Well, what was this Allen wrench for? Oh, it's for adjusting the height on the laser. Cool. Yeah, guys, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Some of this stuff is going to see use, some of the stuff definitely isn't. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!